Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin right now by changing input. Turn on bright light and sip 250-500 ml of water. Open a window if possible. Fresh air increases alertness. Once done, set a 25-minute focused block and stand to stretch for 1-2 minutes to raise circulation. Make a lightweight task list of 3 prioritized items so you avoid decision fatigue. Start with the easiest to build momentum. This first push reboots your nervous system, so don't dawdle. Act and commit to a single 25. You now maintain focus by switching to active methods. Quiz yourself with 3 core questions, then vocalize concise answers. This forces retrieval and keeps you alert. If you need caffeine, take 50-100 mg at the start of your second 25-minute block. Time it so it peaks during your hardest material. Between intense stretches, use micro breaks, 30-60 seconds of walking or shoulder rolls to prevent slumping. Make sure to alternate tasks every 50-60 minutes to avoid habituation. Variance preserves attention. You finish by consolidating. Spend the final 10 minutes reviewing key points and writing 3 takeaways. This cements learning and signals closure. Once done, schedule your next session and assign 1 clear priority so you restart quickly later. If you still feel sleepy, try a focused 5-10-minute cold water splash on your face and quick vigorous movement. It's a reliable reset. If that fails, accept a 20-30-minute power nap, set an alarm, and then repeat light stimulation to avoid grogginess afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.